Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to activate Midjourney subscription. First of all you have to do is open your Midjourney on Discord and you have to type /subscribe. Hit enter. From here, you will see this option. Midjourney will send you a message. This is your personal link. Do not share it with anyone. You have to click on manage account. Visit site. This website will open. You will see purchase a subscription. You will see basic plan, standard plan, pro plan, and mega plan. You have to select any plan of your choice. For example, if I select the basic plan, I will click on subscribe. A new page will open. Here I have to enter my email address, my card number. You can also pay through Alipay. You have to enter your card information, your name, your billing address, and after that all you have to do is click on subscribe, and the total amount will be shown here, and it will be deducted from this section. And that's how you can activate Midjourney subscription. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.